What's good, ladies and gentlemen? I go by the name Krizbeatz, the drummer boy, and today I'm going to show you how to get a banging drum without knowing how to get a banging drum. Does it make sense? How to get a banging drum without knowing how to get it. Like I always like to point out to you guys, this is a trick, not a tip. Like this particular one, I have some tips on my tutorial, but this particular one is a trick. It's for maybe a beginner who is struggling to, get the sound they want while making the beat. There's a way it helps us stay inspired when the beat is banging the way you want it to be. So this is a disclaimer that this is not the best way, but this is definitely going to get you going, till you can figure out the best way. And if you want to know the best way, update me here and I'll be sure to let you know how to do it. But without further ado, let's go straight into the studio and go check out how to do this.
Shady belle 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 for me pelebe. Shady belle 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 for me pelebe. Shady belle 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 for me pelebe. Shady belle 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 for me pelebe.
Welcome to the studio, ladies and gentlemen. Without wasting anybody's time, I would like us to get right into what we planned to come to the studio to do. So the plugin that you are going to use for this is called Vitamin by who? By Waves. So Vitamin is kind of like a multi-band compressor with some sauce. I like to use it on kick and sometimes I like to use it on the boss. This thing is Vitamin by Waves. This is not a sponsored thingy or anything, so but if it's good, I like to tell you it's good. So yeah, let's see how my project sounds before. You don't even need to do too much. You just have to come here and load up maybe a preset for drums and beat. So let's see how it sounds before loading Vitamin on it. So it's still a good beat, relatively good, not all that thingy, but yeah, let's listen to like the whole. It's just a short loop. There's no this thing. Yeah, so that is what we have so far on the beats part. So come here to your Vitamin and then turn it on and then load. I mean, you could try out different presets to just see the one that works for you. But look, hear this. If you didn't hear the difference, I'm not sure you'll hear any difference here today. So yeah, but just a little, I'm using the mastering one, just a little tweak. You can see, let's even try, let's try more. I love this mastering one, so it keeps the beat intact. This is not the best way to do it. You can use different, sometimes I use Reason for the beats before sending to a proper engineer to like mix the beats one by one. So, but before I add this, before I add the Vitamin, I ensure that my tracks, they are not clipping like overboard, they are not clipping. It's just a way to get, maybe you have an artist in the studio or you are an artist yourself. It's just a way to get something going that sounds fire without this. And I just started making these beats now for the course of these tutorials. I just made it and I just felt like, okay, why not share with you guys? Who knows, someone might be struggling to get the beat sounding as bad as some of my beat sounds. You get me? So yeah, there you have it. A short, sweet tutorial. I think after this, I'm going to make a tutorial on how to stack vocals because I hear a lot of people send me their job for mixing, and the vocals are not properly stacked. So I'll show you how to record it right. And yeah, and to watch some of my other videos, click, I don't know whether here or here, but yeah, it should pop up right about there, and you could watch it. And yeah, subscribe, click the link, like, notification bell, and all those good stuff that you can do to help the page grow. And yeah, let me know what other stuff you would like me to talk about. But before we do peace, let's see before and after of everything that we did. So here is before and after. Simple, ladies and gentlemen. Click everything, do all the good stuff. Like this video if you like it. If you don't like it, please let me know why you don't like it and how I can make it so that you like it next time. Peace.